Hello, 5th standard students. Today we will study about the topic the fractional numbers. So you have studied about a fraction. Fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator, isn't it? Fraction means a numerator and a denominator. So 3 by 5 is a fraction. In this, numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Now, the proper fractions, the different types of fractions. Now, proper fractions. What are proper fractions? The proper fractions are those fractions whose numerators are smaller than denominators. So, here the numerator is smaller than the denominator. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 13, etc. कोई भी फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से छोटा है, then you call it proper fractions. Now coming to improper fractions. The fractions whose numerators are greater than the denominators or equal to the denominators, then they are called as improper fractions. मतलब क्या है? न्यूमरेटर बड़ा रहेगा, नहीं तो इक्वल रहेगा. न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा नहीं तो इक्वल, तभी हम बोलते हैं इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल 3 by 2, 11 by 7, 25 by 4. In all these, numerator is greater, denominator is smaller, isn't it? 3 is greater than 2, 11 is greater than 7, 25 greater than 4. Here 1 is lesser than 2, 3 is lesser than 4, 5 is lesser than 13. So proper मतलब numerator छोटा और improper में numerator बड़ा. Now mixed number. Now what is mixed number? A combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So there is one whole number, and side में the proper fraction. So 1.5, 8, 1 by 10, 2, 3 by 4. So ये side में जो fraction कभी भी improper नहीं रहता है. It is always a proper. So one whole number and a proper fraction together you call it as a mixed number. Now coming to unit fractions. What are unit fractions? Fractions whose numerators are always equal to 1. So हमेशा उनके न्यूमरेटर 1 ही रहेगा, then it is called as numerator is always 1. न्यूमरेटर हमेशा 1 रहेगा, तभी उसको यूनिट फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 1 by 2, 1 by 5, 1 by 11, etc. नाउ लाइक फ्रैक्शंस, ये सब हम एक एक को बोलेंगे, एक फ्रैक्शन को देखकर बोलेंगे whether it is a proper, improper, mixed और यूनिट. अभी लाइक फ्रैक्शंस either it will be 2 or more. So उनके ग्रुप को देखकर आप लोग बोलेंगे the fractions having same denominator, मतलब 2 by 5, 7 by 5, 4 by 5, सब में डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो then this group is called as a like fraction. Now unlike fractions having different denominators. So अभी देखो 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 7 by 11. All the denominators are different, then you call it as unlike fractions. So like and unlike, it is 2 or more than 2, a group. Okay. So in that, the like fractions, all the denominators are same. Unlike fractions, the denominators are different. Now coming to equivalent fraction. What are equivalent fractions? Fractions which express the value of the same part of a whole. मतलब 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. मतलब 1 by 2 is also equal to 2 by 4. देखो अभी ये सर्कल है, ये हाफ शेड करेंगे, दिस became 1 by 2. अभी हम दूसरा करेंगे, इसमें कितने पार्ट को शेड किए? 2. टोटल कितना है? सो 2/4 इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू हाफ ही है ना, आधा पार्ट को हम शेड किए. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस आर कॉल्ड equivalent fractions. This you have learnt in the 4th standard, isn't it? So it is a equivalent fraction, means which express the value of the same part of the whole. Now coming to the introduction, write the next 3 equivalent fractions. ये आप लोग ऑलरेडी लास्ट ईयर सीखे हैं, उसका एक रिविजन. सो इट इज अ नेक्स्ट 3 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस. 2/6 मतलब क्या हो गया? 2, नेक्स्ट नंबर देखो, 2 2s are 4, डिनोमिनेटर 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24, 2 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30, 2 6s are 12, 6 6s are 36. Understood? Now 1/7 numbers देखो, 1 2s are 2, 7 2s are 14, 1 3s are 3, 7 3s are 21, 1 4s are 4, 7 4s are 28, 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 1 6s are 6, 7 6s are 42. Now 5/9. 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18, 5 3s are 15, 9 3s are 27, 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36, 5 5s are 25, 9 5s are 45, 5 6s are 30, 9 6s are 54. Understood? So it is the table. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 6. Denominator 6 2s are 6 3s are 6 4s are 6 5s are 6 6. Okay. Now coming to the convert the mixed number into the improper fraction. So here it is 3 1/5. This also you have done last year. So denominator is 5. Write first. Then the whole number. What is it? 3. 3 into 5 bracket के अंदर plus 1. Now multiply 3 5s are 15 plus 1/5 is equal to 16/5. Now here what will you do? Write 7. Now within the bracket it is 5. 5 7s are plus 1. 5 7s are how much? 35 plus 1 upon 7. Answer is 36/7. Now 33 1/3. First write the denominator. So whole number is 33 multiplied by the denominator plus the numerator. Now 33 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 upon 3. 99 plus 1 is 100/3. Now 2 2/9. First write the denominator, the whole number into denominator plus the numerator. Now it is a 9 2s are 18 plus 2/9. 18 plus 2 20/9. Is it clear? Now the improper fraction is there. Convert it into the mixed number. So here 50 by 7. What you have done? So divide 50 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 1 is remaining. So what is the answer? 7. Quotient. Write the quotient first. Remainder in the numerator. Then the divisor in the denominator. I will see. So 11 by 9. So 11 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. How much remained? 11 minus 9 is 2. So what is the quotient? 1. What is the remainder? 2. In the denominator, that is the divisor, 9. So the answer is 1, 2 by 9. Abhi idhar 23 divided by 8. 8 how much are 23? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 8 threes are नहीं डाल सकते हैं. It is 2s are 16. Now 3 minus 6 not possible. 13 minus 6 3, 4, 5, 6. How much is remaining? 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the quotient is 2. The remainder is 7 and the divisor or the denominator is 8. You got 2 7 by 8. Now 78 by 17. 78 by 17. 17 का table. 17 fours are 4 sevens are 28. 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. So you got the quotient is 4. Remainder is 10. Right in the numerator. Divisor, that is the denominator, 17. So you got answer 4, 10 by 17. Is it okay? Now coming to the fourth question, it is the fill in the blanks. Fractions having the same denominators. Fractions having the same denominators are called, what do you say? Like fractions. Isn't it? Same denominator hai to like fraction. A fractional number whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater. What will you tell? Improper fraction. Now 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Numerator is 1. What will you call? Unit fractions. Now 2 1 by 8. 3 1 by 8. Which type of number is it? It is a mixed number. A whole number and a proper fraction. So it is a mixed number. Abhi 8 by 9 is equal to box upon 72. You don't know the numerator. So what we have to do? So 8 by 9. बड़ा एक लाइन ले लो, डालो और 72. अभी लिखो 9 how much are 72? 9 8 are 72. वही नंबर से न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करो. 8 8 are 64. So the answer 8 8 are 64. Understood? So these are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction को कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? जहाँ नंबर मिला है उससे पूछो हाउ मच, वही नंबर न्यूमरेटर में डालो और मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखने का. Is it clear? Okay then. Thank you. Take care.